In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a map in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your database into a visual map that automatically places pins for your locations, making it easier to see where everything is at a glance. We'll begin by making sure your information is ready for a map. Create a database or open one you already have and add a dedicated property for location. Name this property place or address, and set its property type accordingly, so it's clearly meant to store location details. Keeping this property separate from other text fields helps Notion understand which column contains location data. Use clear, consistent entries: full street addresses, recognized place names, or city and country, so the map can interpret them accurately. If you have existing items in your database, a quick pass to standardize how you write addresses will save time and improve pin accuracy. Next, look at the top of your database where your views are listed. You'll see a small plus sign next to the current views. Click that plus sign to add a new view. This is how you tell Notion to present the same data in a different format without changing the content itself. From the view options that appear, select Map. Notion will generate a new map view of your database and automatically look for the place or address property you set earlier. If that property is present, the map will immediately begin placing pins for any items that contain valid location information. You don't need to embed code or connect an external service. The map view works directly from your database. As the map loads, you can pan and zoom to explore your entries. If you don't see pins you expect, double-check that the place or address property is filled in and consistently formatted. Small details like missing city names or abbreviations that aren't commonly recognized can affect how a location is plotted. Updating the location text in your database will refresh the pin position on the map automatically. This setup keeps your workflow simple. Your database holds the information, your place or address property, tells Notion what to map, and the map view displays it visually. The best results come from clean, unambiguous location entries. So take a moment to tidy anything that looks unclear. And that's it. You've created a database with a dedicated place or address property, added a new view by clicking the plus sign, selected map, and watched Notion automatically generate pins for your data. Thanks for watching.